Welcome back to ZooWorld. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of unusual natural phenomena, those spectacular sights that leave us in awe. From glowing seas to bizarre weather patterns, nature has a way of surprising us. Let's explore these wonders and uncover the science behind them. First up is bioluminescence, the mesmerizing glow of certain marine organisms. Imagine walking along a beach at night and watching the waves light up with a bright blue hue. This phenomenon occurs in some species of plankton, like dinoflagellates. When disturbed, these microorganisms produce light through a chemical reaction involving a substance called luciferin. This glowing response can serve various purposes, from attracting prey to deterring predators. The magical display is not just a sight to behold. It plays a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. Next, let's talk about ball lightning, an elusive and mysterious phenomenon that has puzzled scientists for centuries. Witnesses describe it as glowing spheres that can float through the air and sometimes explode. While the exact cause remains unclear, some theories suggest that it may be related to electrical discharges during thunderstorms. Researchers believe that these glowing orbs may form from ionized gases, but more studies are needed to understand this phenomenon fully. One of nature's most breathtaking spectacles is the Aurora Borealis, commonly known as the Northern Lights. This stunning light display occurs in the polar regions when charged particles from the sun collide with the Earth's magnetic field. As these particles enter the atmosphere, they excite gases like oxygen and nitrogen, creating beautiful colors in the night sky: greens, purples, and reds. The result is a dazzling dance of lights that has captivated humanity for centuries. Next, we have Fata Morgana, a complex type of mirage that creates distorted images of objects on the horizon. This phenomenon occurs due to temperature inversions in the atmosphere, where layers of warm and cold air mix. As light travels through these layers, it bends, creating the illusion of ships, coastlines, or even entire cities appearing in the distance. Sailors often mistook these mirages for real land, adding to the intrigue of this fascinating optical illusion. Catatumbo Lightning is another extraordinary natural phenomenon. This unique weather event occurs over Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, where lightning strikes the same area nearly 300 nights a year. The lightning is caused by a combination of warm, moist air from the lake and cooler, dry air from the Andes Mountains. This constant clash of air masses creates an almost perpetual thunderstorm, illuminating the night sky with spectacular lightning displays. Blood rain is a phenomenon that can send shivers down anyone's spine. This unusual weather event occurs when rain appears red or brown, often due to the presence of sand, dust, or algae in the atmosphere.
In some cases, particularly in regions near deserts, winds can carry red dust particles high into the atmosphere, which then mix with rain, giving it a reddish hue. While it looks ominous, blood rain is harmless, though it can be a sight to behold. St. Elmo's fire is another captivating electrical phenomenon, often mistaken for ghostly lights. This blue or violet glow appears on the tips of pointed objects, such as ship masts, airplane wings, and even church steeples during thunderstorms. The phenomenon occurs due to a strong electric field in the atmosphere, causing the air to ionize. This results in a visible glow, which sailors and travelers often interpreted as a sign of good luck during treacherous weather. Have you ever heard of the green flash? This rare phenomenon occurs just as the sun sets or rises. For a brief moment, the sun appears to flash green, creating a magical effect. The green flash happens due to atmospheric refraction, where light from the sun bends as it passes through the Earth's atmosphere. While it lasts only a second or two, those fortunate enough to witness it consider it a sign of good fortune. Another fascinating phenomenon is red tide, caused by harmful algal blooms that can turn large bodies of water a striking reddish brown. These blooms occur when certain algae multiply rapidly due to nutrient overload, often from agricultural runoff. While red tides can create stunning visuals, they can also produce toxins harmful to marine life and humans, leading to fish kills and beach closures. This serves as a reminder of our impact on ecosystems and the importance of sustainable practices. Nature is full of wonders that continuously surprise and inspire us. From the mysterious butterfly effect to the stunning visuals of red tides and the Great Blue Hole, these unusual phenomena remind us of the beauty and complexity of our world. If you enjoyed exploring these natural wonders, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to ZooWorld for more fascinating topics. Which natural phenomenon intrigues you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature.